Alright guys and girls, here with K&M Workshop once again, giving yourselves some more helpful advice.
Bathroom etiquette in a way?
Bathroom etiquette, yeah, and listen, you dirty let's talk about loofahs.
Loofahs. Alright, so we have a loofah and we have a wash rag. Both of these need to be changed depending on how many times you take a shower. You should always change this, or at least deep clean it, wash it, because it starts tearing apart, starts getting gross, starts getting to the point that mold and other gross things can be on it. So wash it, clean it, change it out. I change mine out every month, once a month, and just keep going out, or deep clean it once a month. And if you don't want to do that, there's wash rags. It's a simple wash rag. You can throw it in the wash, clean it out that way, and just throw soap on it, use it the same way you normally would, and cycle them out so you're not always using the same thing.
Alright folks, so your loofahs, you dirty bastards, listen, if you can't afford to replace these every month, which you realistically should because they're full of your skin cells and all that other crap, that's the whole purpose of washing off, then at least disinfect it somehow, alright? I'm sure that there's better places to look for disinfectant instructions, but disinfect this or replace this, alright? Washcloths, at least once a week, wash these things, alright? It's not hard, folks. Don't leave that in your bathroom the entire time and keep reusing it. You know, it's gonna start smelling mildewy.
Next, we have your towel. Your towel is something that I change maybe every 2-3 times. So I'll shower, use it 2-3 times, then I'll jump on to the next one. Because it's collecting all your dead skin cells. It's helping you dry off, but it eventually just gets soaked and saturated with stuff that you don't want on your body.
Mildewy. How many of you bastards just continue to use the same towel forever? Alright? Every couple days to at least minimum a week, replace your towel. Alright? Same for the sink towels. Replace those.
Next we have your toothbrush. This is my kid's first toothbrush. It's the only reason we still have it. But your toothbrush should be changed, cleaned. I mean, most toothbrushes aren't that expensive. You can buy a new one. They have different motor ones where you can change the head, and you just buy a new head every once in a while. And that's something that you need to do regularly also. I think one of the recommendations is at least 6 times a year. So it says every other month.
All right, toothbrushes. Listen, your mouth is a dirty place. It is a disgusting place. So why would you not be replacing these toothbrushes on a regular basis? Also, I'm commenting that it is weird that Keeper is keeping his kid's first toothbrush. That's a weird thing. However, if you can't afford to replace these on every 3 months or something like that, then at least disinfect them. White vinegar will probably work. Putting it in the dishwasher will probably work. I get it. Not everyone's got enough money to be replacing these damn toothbrushes all the time.
Next, we have things that are nice to have. So if you have friends that are female, have pads in there. Whether you use them or not, if you're married or not, have a boyfriend, girlfriend, have them. It's always good. It's nice to have. In this way, in case of an emergency, it's there. And they don't have to feel, I don't know, kind of awkward asking because it's already available for them.
And last, pads. Guys, it's not a big deal. Your masculinity isn't going to get hurt if you keep some of these around just in case your friends come by and something's going on. Alright? Don't feel demasculated. I'm a bachelor. I've got those in my bathroom just in case. Alright guys, so this has been
K&M Workshop. Just,
Just,
with bathroom etiquette, just things that you should care about, think about.
things that a lot of people seem to forget.
Yeah, it just
right?
goes over their head. They
Yeah,
don't think about it.
they're not thinking about it. And just don't be gross, guys. Be clean, All right. Have a good one.